got another unboxing. As you see, I've connected the discharge hose. This is 5 meters long. The only annoying thing was that this part here that connects to the output doesn't actually twist independently, so in screwing it on you twist up the hose. Not to worry, it also has a float switch which you can adjust the height of by using this bracket here. It comes from Amazon, costs £50 including delivery, and you get everything you see. It's also 250 watts. Let's plug it in and see. I'll put it in and we'll see how much it actually uses. It's 150 watts so far, but that's probably because it's got a lot of air in it. I did put it in sideways, but with most sump pumps you do have to wait a while or twist them a bit. But to be fair, most sump pumps do catch a lot of air. Now that it's running properly, it is running at just over 250 watts. Lay flat hoses that this one comes complete with should actually be laid flat out on the ground. They're called lay flat because when they're empty they are flat, unlike a normal hose that has reinforced to keep its shape. Lay flat hoses don't, so you should keep them in a straight line, or at least a curve, no tight kinks in it. If you have kinks in it, it will not work. It's doing what is asked of it. It's not the world's most powerful pump, but then again, I never bought it for that. If you would like one of these, I'll leave a link in the description below. If you like this content, a thumbs up would be appreciated. A subscription to the channel, which is free, would be great as well. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.